Good morning, students. Welcome to class 10th. Now, in this video, this is a orientation video, as this is our first experience of a video class to you all. Now, you are in class 10th and in class 9th you have been well aware of your pattern of English paper. Now here in boards you will have 3 sections: reading, writing, literature. Reading, you will have 2 unseen passages that you all write very correctly. It's very scoring, you get marks also. Section B includes writing and grammar. Writing, you have certain topics like letter writing, story writing, diary entry, and in grammar you have again 3-4 questions. First is editing, okay, where you find out the incorrect word and write the correct of that word. Then you have fill in the gaps, where you have 4-5 options. You have to pick from that option and write in the paragraph. You have to correct jumbled words and make it into a sensible sentence. Now, all these exercises are related on your certain grammatical knowledge. Without that knowledge, you cannot do these exercises. Like in editing, you should be well versed with parts of speeches. And your tense portion. In gap filling, again, you need to have knowledge for parts of speeches, where you have to write the correct article, the correct noun, the correct verb, the correct adjective, the correct adverb. And when you are attempting your jumbled words, the question related to arranging the jumbled words, their most important thing is that if you know the subject, which word will make the subject in the sentence and which word will make the predicate in the sentence, you can easily construct or easily arrange all those words. There will be no problem. Sometimes it's confusing how to arrange, but once you sort out the head and the tail of that sentence, then you can easily arrange all the words. Section C, literature portion. You have 2 books in class 10th. First Flight, which is your prose book, which includes poems and prose, and your next book, that is Footprints Without Feet, that is your supplementary reader, where there are short stories. Now, important thing is how you understand prose, poem, short stories. There are 2 kinds of questions. First is short questions comprising 30 to 40 words, and then there are long type of questions, long answers, 100 to 120 words or 120 to 150 words. That I will take up later on, but this is your syllabus, this is the pattern you will study. Now, if I take section B, that is writing and grammar portion. We have 3 to 4 questions related to grammar. Now, I don't know what is your grammatical knowledge, how much you all know, but you all can revise all the parts of speeches. I have given you notes of all the grammar parts of speeches, all active passive voice, all direct indirect. You all revise that. You all revise the grammar part, because now in class 10th you will not be taught the basics. You will be given the exercises, you will be given format, you will be explained content, and you have to practice on that. You will not be given the foundation of grammatical things. Okay? So, I have only one request, that when I am starting the main syllabus, you should all be aware of your grammar portion. Good day. Thank you.